Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Bitget wallet app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom right. In the search bar, type Bitget Wallet. When the app appears in the search results, tap on it. Press the Get button next to the app icon. If prompted, confirm your download with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the app is downloaded, it will automatically install on your iPhone. Wait for the progress circle to complete and the Open button will appear. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. And that's it. You have successfully installed Bitget Wallet on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials. See you in the next one.